Hey there, Jeremiah with John Shutters. Today I am programming a Dooya remote motor in under 2 minutes. Got my remote handy and a paper clip. I know where my P2 button is on the back, so we're ready to get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to initiate the power, listen for a beep. Now that I do, I'm going to take my paper clip, hit P2 twice, and then any direction. I chose down. Well, looks like we got it, but we did not get our directions correct. So what we're going to do here is we're going to cut off our power. Listen for that beep again when we turn it back on. P2 twice in the opposite direction that we chose the first time. And just like that, we have programmed a Dooya remote in under 2 minutes.